I'm Tamara Cooper from Joy with Cocktail Studio, and today I'll be making a hanky panky. So in a hanky panky there is gin, sweet vermouth, Fernet Branca, and a cheeky orange peel. So we're gonna start with the gin. I won't say how much because I want to get scrutinized for my hanky panky specs. So let's keep that a secret. But it's gonna be equal parts of gin and sweet vermouth. And just a hint of Fernet Branca. Of course, before any cocktail, QC. Give it a good stir. And garnish with an orange peel. It's one hanky panky.